checking out our clover plot. If you didn't check out this clover plot install video, check it out. We took a old abandoned plot and revitalized it, and well, we've got a lot of germination. But before we get into that, I want to do a quick thing and do a subscriber shout out. And some of you have bought hats and then send me feedback back where the hats have brought you some good luck. That is awesome. Thank you for doing that. So let's go ahead and hop into that real quick here. First up is Mr. Drew Moore. Drew is out of Tennessee. He sends me a picture of him riding his tractor and said it is dove farming season. He's out here getting his fields sprayed and burned down, rocking the bottomland hat. That is awesome. Drew, man, thank you so much for the support. That is awesome. Next up is Kyle Brudd. He is family, good cousin of mine. Got him a hat. He said, well, unfortunately, his dog liked it more than he did and chewed up his hat. Well, being the good cousin I am, had to give him another one, and here his daughter rocking the hat. Man, that looks awesome. Thank you so much for your support. I know they are huge fans of the channel, longtime viewer and huge supporter of the channel, and that is Virginia Swamp Boys. If you haven't checked out their YouTube, check it out. These are real guys up in Virginia getting it done. They are awesome duck, goose, and turkey hunters. Well, he sends me a picture and said, Mr. Moore, you were right. Your hat is a turkey killing hat. He had some great luck wearing the bottomland hat, got him an awesome turkey. Thank you so much, guys. And last up is a really good friend and former colleague, Mr. Tyler Cooper, sends me a picture of the hat on the dash and said he was going after some turkeys. He is loving the hat. He said, you were right. This is a good fitting hat, and he wasn't kidding. Good luck, Tyler, this season. Thank you for sending that picture in. So that is super cool, guys. Thank you for sending me that feedback, those emails and pictures. That is awesome. So let's look at our food plot here. Got my buddies out here that actually helped me do some work on it. But the clover plot establishment was successful. We have got a lot of germination. We've got a lot of clover coming in. We certainly do have some weeds coming in as well, but a lot of clover germination and growth is already coming on. And that is the case throughout this entire plot back here. A very successful way to establish clover. We came in here, we bush hogged it, tilled it, broadcasted the clover, and then just simply tracked it in with the tractor. We did not turn it into the dirt. And well, you can see we got fantastic germination. So I am really excited to see how this plot looks in the fall and then next spring. We are gonna have to come in here and spray. We've got a lot of broadleaves coming in. Some grass survived, so we are gonna have to come in here and spray a couple times, but that'll be a whole different video. Did you find some good ones? Yeah, Tucker said, look at all this clover. There's a big deer track. There's a lot of deer in here. That is a big track, buddy. A lot of clover coming in here. So the deer are already in here. I'm just passing through. They're already in here nipping this clover off. I think this is going to be a really good spot for my cousin Mark. You've got a ladder stand up here. It's a tall one, and it sits up there. You got the sun to your back in the afternoon. You've got leaf cover as a backdrop cover. This is going to be a sweet little kill plot for him. We are definitely going to have to stay on top of these grasses and weeds in here, but if we can keep the grasses and weeds under control, I think we're going to have a lot of clover. This could be a really sweet plot come this fall. This is cool, man. It's really cool to see you put the effort in, you get the germination, you get the growth, and then you see the deer already coming in here. This is going to be a sweet little setup for him. And what do you have here?
I'm going to put these flowers on.
You picked these are wild lilies, I think? They're growing up here in the clover plot. So it is Nana's birthday today and Easter. That is awesome. Again, thank you so much to guys that are buying the hats. Tons of other ones going out. If you've bought a hat from me, send me an email. Let me know how it's doing. I love that feedback. I love the pictures. People catching fish in them, catching brim, killing turkeys, doing farm work. That is awesome. It warms my heart. It lets me know that there's other people just like me out there that enjoy doing this same stuff. And we will be back in the dove field in no time. We're actually a touch behind schedule. That's okay. We'll get caught up. We have actually got to do our initial herbicide burn down where we have combined these two fields here. You can see the wheat we planted last year is starting to go to seed. A lot of the fall crops are starting to come up and flower out. We don't want this to happen because this is all going to be millet. So we want to go ahead and spray all this off. I am shocked. I've not seen the turkeys out here yet, but we are loaded with wheat and seed. There's crimson clover out here, but we're going to be out here with that PTO roller pump sprayer, and we're going to be turning it loose on this 1.5 acre field here. We're going to be doing initial herbicide burn down of all this. So stay tuned for that video. And Hudson has a big announcement for us here.
We have t-shirts available.
T-shirts available, and he is right. Limited size, limited quantity. If I run out quickly, I'm sorry. I'll try to get you on the next round. Just let me know what size you are, and I'll try to accommodate it. Be on the lookout for that. We're going to have some really cool, very comfortable Next Level t-shirts coming in. They are super comfortable. Great gym shirts. Got the logo on the back. They're super cool. Really appreciate the support. Another vlog update. Just some things we're out here working on, giving you a little behind-the-scenes look. But until the next video, really appreciate you guys watching. As always, God bless.
Take care.